Okay, here we are in the garage. We got a few toys in here. But this video is to do a cold start video on this 1996 Italian market, Italian military police converted to civilian Defender 90. This truck's got a 2-liter gasoline double overhead cam engine, and the Italian military police specified that because they wanted more top speed and drivability. And unlike a turbo diesel 5-speed, which at 65 miles an hour on the highway is starting to be quite dramatic, this car will keep up with modern interstate traffic without losing all the character of the 5-speed turbo diesels. Great car, really impressed with it. Let's get the cold start. This car hadn't been started in 8 or 9 days. Let's check it out. We'll see more of this later. We'll get under the hood in a minute. Cold start for the 96 Defender.